We're going to make one of the most iconic mountains, the Matterhorn, using a desktop CNC machine, the Carvera Air. The build has two main parts, an aluminum base and the mountain itself, carved from oak. We're going to start with making the base. I started by installing the Z-probe and probing the surface of the aluminum block to set the origin. Then, with an end mill, I began a roughing process to remove most of the material. The machine automatically measures the two lengths before it starts the process. When milling aluminum, the machine is surprisingly quiet. I sucked up the chips regularly to avoid them building up and interfering with the cut. Once the roughing process was finished, I swapped in a ball mill for the finishing pass. I used an engraving bit to engrave the mountain's name onto the base. Finally, I cut out the base, leaving small tabs so the part wouldn't fly off during machining. I think I used the wrong settings for the finishing pass, because the surface isn't as smooth as I wanted, so I polished it by hand with a 400 grit whetstone. That gave the base a clean satin finish. I added small feet underneath to prevent the base from scratching the surface it sits on. The base is now finished. The mountain itself is made from a solid piece of oak. I fixed the block to the machine bed with side clamps. We'll start by milling the contour from the underside of the mountain. The Carvera first flattens the block, which creates an even surface. The dust chute takes care of the cleanup, pulling in all the wood chips as it cuts. I flipped the block upside down to start shaping the mountain. As the machine makes 1 mm roughing passes, the mountain's form starts to appear. Now we switch to the ball mill to finish the mountain. It's really satisfying to see the finishing pass bring out all the mountain's details. I'm sanding the overlapping edges to smooth out the sides. I'm applying a bit of wax to make the wood grain stand out. Now we can place the mountain onto its base. The Matterhorn fits snugly, so it won't fall off. Let's take a look at the final product. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.